The entire purpose of going to Costco is to save money, and yet so many of you are actually losing out on the chance to save way more than you normally can. The best thing about Costco, you can just buy in bulk, has good prices, but they're offering you a chance to get an additional 2% back if you get, but you have to get the Costco executive membership. That costs you normally $60 for an entire year, but let's say you only have 6 months left on your membership, then they will only charge you $30. Now, how do you know if the Costco executive membership is actually a good deal? Basically, if you spend $250 a month or $3,000 a year, then you're at least breaking even. And there's actually a way to actually hack this, a life hack that actually gets you to actually save even more money. But first, you need to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right. Everybody wants to save money. I actually think there's a smart aleck back there who doesn't want to save money. Who wants to raise their hand and save money? Okay. So anyway, if you actually share your executive membership like with a family member, then you only have to spend $125 per month or $1,500 per year, and you still are at least breaking even. And actually, there's one interesting thing about Costco. Even if you don't save money with this program, you're not going to lose money because Costco will refund your whole program. So you always have the luxury of just getting the executive membership. See if you actually are saving money. If you're not, just ask for your money back. They don't ask you questions. They're not going to get mad at you. They just will give your money back. And there's cool things that you could do with executive membership. For instance, you could actually buy maybe hotel accommodations or airfare through the Costco site, and you will get 2% extra with the back with the executive membership. And you can actually hack it and get an additional 2% on top of that if you had the city Costco credit card, because then you get 2% just for shopping at Costco. So you get the 2% back from using the credit card and another 2% from paying for the Costco executive membership. Now I'm actually going to show you right now some cool things that I found at Costco that shows how you can actually get some value from this executive membership. Let's check out Costco right now. This Vitamix over here, this usually goes for $3.99, but right now it's going for $2.99, and you get 4% back if you have the Costco card plus the executive membership. That's pretty cool. It's $2.99. That's a really good deal. I don't know which one this is, but I think it's under 30 bucks. This is kind of cool. Double shot. Where's the double shot? Oh yeah, $32.99. This is kind of cool. Double shot car wash system. So instead of going to the car wash, you have this, and you can get, if you have the Citibank Costco card and the executive thing, you get an extra 2%. It's 4% back. You don't get deals like that at the car wash. But I'm not gonna buy it anyway. This is the Oculus Quest 2. This is for people who want to become a zombie. It's actually, even the advertising, it's 399 bucks plus tax. Look at it. Does that look very appealing? I'd be like, I want to escape the world. Can you explain what probiotic is?
It helps you go to the bathroom very, very well.
I've been using this too. It seems to work. And also, isn't it true it's on sale?
Currently is on sale.
So how much of a discount is it?
I think it's like $4 off each box. So we're getting
a whole bunch of these. You can even buy some expensive jewelry and you get 4% back if you do it the special way. Look at all this expensive jewelry. For 600 bucks, you can get this grill. Look at that. Ooh wee. Well, I'm not gonna be buying that today, but I must say it looks decent. Looks like it's pretty high quality. Actually, I don't even know what the normal price is, but I would imagine it's a little bit more. LED light bulbs are getting cheaper. You can get 4 of these for $14.99. And what's great about this is a 100-watt equivalent. That's pretty awesome. And remember, you can get 4% back if you get the executive card and the Costco card, credit card. Another good deal is to buy these discounted gift cards to See's Candy. You get $50 worth for $39.99. That's a very, very good deal. It's a good deal if you're already going to go to See's Candy anyway. Another good deal is this. It actually tastes really good at sushi. So I think it's about 10 bucks, even though it says it. I think it's like $9.49. It's a really tasty one. It has like 10 pieces. Really good. I never liked the apples at the supermarket, but here at Costco, the apples are just, it's just always amazing. Like all of these look so good. Look at this.
How come the box is open?
If you go to like a place like Capital Grill, it's like 30 or 40 bucks just for one steak. But look at here. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steaks for $41.13. Kirkland sells some $6.99 wine, but you know what? When you go down that cheap, it's probably not that great. This wine is $14.99. It has, this is the Kirkland brand. It actually comes from France too, so it's probably high quality. And when it comes out of Kirkland, you're getting extra value by buying just the Kirkland brand. So I would recommend this one, $14.99. It's probably a better deal than the $6.99 one because it's probably much higher quality. You don't really need to even go to Barnes & Noble because they have a whole bunch of books right here. Jesus is calling. What about you? What did you find? Did you find anything?
They have the Charles,
the 60 bucks?
yeah, it's probably pretty decent.
Oh wow, that's pretty expensive. All of this food amount, and well, not only food, but mostly, I guess it's food.
Mostly
How much?
food.
How much was it? 364.
363.24.
And that means we get $14 back because we do it the smart way. So that's amazing, Danny.
It's funny, every
$14
time
back.
every time you think you're gonna spend not that much at Costco, you end up spending quite a bit.
Now,
Last time was
the
just
maximum amount I've ever spent at Costco was like 640
for
bucks.
just food.
Yeah, and it was just food. That's incredible. Wait, I'm gonna turn it off before they.